dudes, and welcome back to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. This one is for the August one, so just mildly behind, but trying to catch back up in vain. So we've got, what is this? One of those tips cards, even though not really. How to get the most out of antioxidants. Antioxidants are skincare power players. They can prevent or reduce damage to our skin by neutralizing free radicals from daily aggressors like UV damage and air pollution. Antioxidants can also lessen inflammation, address wrinkles and loss of firmness, and boost hydration to keep skin healthy and radiant. Here's our tips for using them effectively. Choose a blend. Different antioxidants target different free radicals and work synergistically, so the more antioxidants you have on at one time, the better. Look for products with multiple antioxidants like 111 Skin's Y-Theorem Day Cream in this month's beauty box. It contains a potent combination of antioxidants, vitamins A, C, E, and F, plus hydrating hyaluronic acid. Look for dark packaging. The most stable antioxidants usually come in an opaque bottle or jar. Keep an eye out for any changing color, smell, or texture of the product, which can mean the antioxidants have been exposed to too much light or air, and they are no longer as effective. Layer wisely. Wait 5 minutes before putting sunscreen on top of antioxidant moisturizers or serums to avoid diluting them. Timing is everything. Antioxidants provide a shield from pollutants, so it's typically best to apply them in the morning, but if your skin is going to be exposed to aggressors like smoke in the evening, it needs extra armor. Then we've got an ad for the J&K Beauty Box, which we've already unboxed here, so we don't need to look at that card. Then we have our little magazine-y thing. I love that eye look, by the way. So 60s and 70s, I love it. Throwback. No hype, no hyperbole. Hyaluronic acid is widely considered as one of the best moisturizers around. Allure reported in the early 2000s. Years later, I am still watching Bring It On, and I still swear by hyaluronic acid for the dewiest skin. Sometimes you just can't beat the classics. While you won't find butterfly clips or low-slung belts in this month's box, some things are worth moving on from. You're getting a hyaluronic acid routine, toner, moisturizer, mask for happy hydrated skin, plus a berry cream blush and a glinty copper liner for your glowiest summer look yet. Ha ha! Yeah, it's winter now, whoops. So the first thing in here is our 111 Skin Y-Theorem Day Cream, which is full-sized, very nice. Price is $270, and I got it in this, so I mean, really can't complain. A little bit of this rich cream goes a long way and leaves my dry skin feeling soft and moisturized throughout the day. The hyaluronic acid formula is intensely hydrating, but it won't clog oily areas such as the T-zone. I asked a colleague with Combination Skin beauty assistant Michelle Ore to put it to the test too. She loved that it kept her skin smooth but not shiny. Even though I moisturize in the morning, my cheeks and forehead are usually parched again by nighttime, she says. But my complexion felt as hydrated in the evening as it did when I massaged in this 111 Skin cream on after breakfast. Very nice. Very nice. When I initially opened the box and was like, oh, they went cheap on us because of the other stuff in there, now I'm like, oh, wait, we actually got a hell of a good value here. So our next thing in here is the Real Her I Am Resilient Metallic Bronze Eyeliner. This is $16. Let's look at the color, because I think it's going to be really pretty. If I can get it open. Come on, you. Okay. Oh, goodness. Why is it not coming out? It's so stuck. Oh my gosh. Maybe I should try from the other end. Box cutter. I was trying to avoid this end because there's a piece of tape, but screw it. I'll just cut the tape. Okay. There we go. That's better. Oh, come on! It's still stuck. Oh my goodness. There we go. Alright. Ooh, that's like really dark. Okay. Is there a... No, there's not. Okay, let's not break the pencil then. Okay, I was like, is there a sharpener? No. Okay. So it's actually darker than what I was expecting, but that's alright. That's a good color. Okay, carefully back on. After all that work, put it right in the back of the box. Oh, I suck. Anyway, so let's read about it. Where'd the thing go? Oh, it's right here. I used to think cat eyes had to be done in dark black liquid liner, an unforgiving medium that I could rarely perfect, but this creamy metallic pencil was made for smudging into soft wings, and its copper tone makes my dark brown eyes glow. I start with a small line from the center of my lash line to my outer corner, where I build up color and intensity. Then I'll use a dense smudge brush to blend it out farther and into a wing. Sometimes, if I want if I want it to look crisp, I use a Q-tip and makeup remover to clean up the wing. My eyelids are on the greasier side, but this metallic liner doesn't shapeshift. Well, that's good to hear because mine are greasy too, and that's usually an issue I have with liners, so. Okay, next up, we have got Botanique Beauty Blush Serum in Magenta Sky. I don't know if this is full size or not. It says it's also $16. As the weather gets sweatier, I wear less and less clothes and makeup. My beauty routine gets streamlined from featherlight formulas like this blush serum, a raspberry tone cream blush. I dab the opening of the tube onto the back of my hand without squeezing to dispense a pin drop of the intense yet sheer pigment, then tap it onto my cheekbones just below the outer corner of my eyes, blending out towards my temples. This placement brightens my eyes while creating a dreamy lifted effect. Whatever is left on my finger, I smudge it onto my lips for a coordinating blurred stain. From there, all I need is mascara. I can see that working. Next up. This one's definitely a sample size, because, like, the full-size bottle, this is not that. But the full size would be $37. And this is the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. Let's get one thing straight. No, sorry. This isn't the toner of your teenage years. Black rice extract and hyaluronic acid top the ingredient list of this hydrating formula. After cleansing, I pour a few drops into the palm of my hand. You can also use a cotton pad, that's what I do, and then gently press it into my skin from my forehead to my neck. I'm met with immediate hydration in doing this, a perfect prep step for the rest of my routine. I have other stuff from the Haru Haru Black Rice line, so I mean, why not have a little dinky thing of the toner? Why not? Ooh, we have a mask. Ooh, nice. The MediHeal NMF Intensive Hydrating Mask. Price $19.90, like $20? Is that for a box or for one use? What the frig? Really? $20. Holy shit. If my beauty routine were a video game, I would have just gotten through an impossible level, successfully wearing a sheet mask while blow-drying my hair. Even though this cotton mask is soaked in serum, it didn't slip or slide as I went about my morning. 15 minutes later, the hyaluronic acid-infused formula left my parched skin plump and refreshed. I also noticed a bit of brightening thanks to exfoliating willow bark. That's an impressive return on investment, considering it took me seconds to apply, no downtime required. But $20? I really hope they mean that's for a box and not for one mask. Because if that's for one mask, that's a lot of pressure on one mask. Just saying. And then, let's see here. We will get one of these three things. Let's see which one we got. We have the Decorte AQ Serum Absolute. This is definitely not full size. Full size is $235. A sample of it. I have classic combination skin, and this serum, which is packed with skin smoothing peptides, is a great match for my oily zones and my dry ones. I almost hiccuped, sorry. It's got a nice milky feel and leaves my skin moisturized and smooth. Okay. Very nice. And that was the last thing in the box. That's actually like a really, really well-valued box. Just saying. So, anyway, guys, that's it for this one. So, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description too. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.